This is our sales kit, and if you're a window tinting professional selling architectural window film, this is something that you might want to look into. So it is able to be branded with your company logo and design. It is made with waterproof, water-resistant, marine-grade material. Inside, there are lots of sleeves, and the sleeves are designed so that your boards, and we'll show you that in a minute, are held so that they don't touch each other. There's a big open space in the middle, so you can add parameter sheets. I keep my booties inside. There's also a slot here for your BTU meter, if you want to keep your BTU meter there. So lots of room. We just added this new feature here, which is a heat lamp holster. So how that works is it can come off or it can stay on. You go to put it on, there's a strap. And you're ready to go for your sales call. Next, I'm going to show you the actual demonstration with the sales boards and the suction cups and how you can utilize it to help you sell more flat glass window film.